Hi, it is Melissa with Sincerely Creative Mom. I'm one of the creative coaches inside the creative coaching group. We're going to do 2 door hangers tonight. Really super fun, super duper quick and easy. These ones were from one of the supply boxes. Yeah, this is up. That's up? Yes. And so let me just flip this over. And just take these 2, and I'm going to add our hanger first. Anyway, this is from one of the supply boxes a while back. And I'm just going to add a quick, fun bow to the 2 of these. I have 2 of them to do. There we go. And then we'll just take our scissors and cut off the rest here. And then we're going to do 2 of these very similar, very quick and easy. So I chose complementing, not matching exactly, but complementing. And so I'm going to just work this out and make a nice just X. We're just going to X it out here. Making sure that those ribbons go opposite. So this is just a flat bow. I added some, these are all about, they end up being just under 10 inches. So they're about 9.5. I'm just going to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And then I think through the center of those, which I've never done, but it's worth giving it a shot. I think through the center somewhere in there, I might add these. So it's a little different than I normally do. Adding the length to it, getting it right in the center of the bow. Maybe I'll go underneath here, just like that. And to the center of the bow so that it's kind of built in. Okay, I'm going to pick it all up at once. Floppy ribbon, non-wired in the center. A little more structured with wire in the back. Now, these bows don't have to be with non-wired. You could make them all with wired, but typically they are a non-wired bow. But I've been using wired just because it's fun that way. We're going to cut those a little bit so they're not so crazy long. Super duper easy. Get those scissors out so it doesn't look so crazy. There we go. It's kind of cool that it's right in the middle of that. I'll put a strip of that leopard right in the center. Probably don't need that much, but we'll use that much. So this is what we'll use to help secure it to the back. I'm sorry, secure the bow to the door hanger. I'm going to twist that nice and tight. I'm going to bring the wires out from side to side. And we'll use the rest of that on the other one. And we'll take this right in the center. So I got my wire in there. It's still outgoing. Put my ribbon. Add it in. Watch my little phalanges here. These flat bows are so quick and easy to add to so many things. I've been adding them to our wooden pumpkins that my husband makes for me and all sorts of things. Door hangers, of course, are my favorite. You know, when I have an opportunity to make something more flat, just like, of course, the pancake wreath, I do take that opportunity to do so because some people have the door screen doors, and so they want something more flat. And so every opportunity that I have to make it flat, make something flat, I do try to do that. Like that. Make sure that goes down nice and flat. Give it a minute to not be so hot. I'll twist these together so that I have two little kind of loops there. And then I'm going to use my staples and staple that part in. At the top? Let's do it at the top. All right, we'll do it at the top. Just going to switch this around so I can get to it. Again, use my staple gun. So I want to get all the way underneath there to that wire that I created. You even probably go with the last two ribbons. That wasn't pretty. That wasn't too bad. That was easy. So I got the wire that we created the bow with, tied it all together, and the bottom ribbon, and the wire from, sorry, I know that you cannot see that, but there we go. Easy, breezy, lemon squeezy. Super cute. Super duper cute. Okay, so that's number one. Just like that, number one. So not directly in the center, just off to the side a little bit. Super cute. Love, love, love. Let's get our hanger on first. Y'all, this, I don't even buy this stuff. This is left. This is what I cut off of the wooden signs when I buy them. Off the excess just to get rid of it. Okay, so we have our little 61919s, which we're going to make sure we fluff out and touch. These are all super duper cute. I think I'm going to spread that out a little bit further, just like that. Yes. Darling. Love it. And so I have a whole bunch of this non-wired ribbon. I've had it for years, and I add to it every once in a while. So, you know, just happen to have it. So if you have it, add it. If not, adding just your wired ribbon is totally fine. I don't remember what my thought process was here, so I'm gonna start all over. I'll put these probably on the bottom. Nice and big. These look like these are 11 inches. Looks like I did those bigger because these do not look like 11 inches. These are, they were probably cut at 10 inches, and then I dovetailed each end. So there's that. And so let's go this way and this way. You do want to make sure that you kind of are putting them right in a center, have a center that you're looking at. And then I'll go opposite. So this way and this way. So we'll both shine through. And then I have these. So I don't want to put these on the top. Just a negative space kind of coming through. So I might lift these up, this first layer up, and put them underneath here. Again, keeping that nice and centered. I might do a little bit closer, not so big of a V, or X rather. There we go. I know that seems like it's right on top of the other one, but I think that'll help that one stay put. I'm just going to add some crosses and crosses. Oops, let's switch that out. So this one goes this way, and then the leopard goes this way, a little bit slightly. Get the black and gold in the center, and our lace in the center, and then just this. So nothing crazy. And then I take that, the whole thing. This is the hardest part here. Just kind of crunching it together. And I am going to put this on top of the little greenery that we have going on here. Squish, 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 squish. So these door hangers come again as a mystery in our Max box. It's always nice because they match kind of what's going on in the box. And since this is in, just squished together, add my zip tie. And then before I tighten my zip tie, you know, super duper tight, I want to make sure that everything is kind of still facing up the best I can, the best it can. I can still see everything. Nothing looks really wonky donkey. And then if it's too long, if they end up too long, I can trim them. Nice and tight along the back. Gonna pull those out to the side. Super fun. So whenever Hobby Lobby has their trims on sale and their trim aisle, this is, I always just take a look and see, you know, if they have anything that's good. If they have anything that's, you know, would cost me roughly $1, then I usually pick them up just so that I have some fun things extra on hand. And then I'm just gluing that for extra. The wire is going to go right over it. And I'm going to zip tie these first. I'm going to make sure that that zip tie is up on the front so that the back can lay flat. My hands are super duper weak, so for me to tie that tight, probably not happening. Add this right to it. Perfect, 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 perfect blend here. Perfect little addition, those little ties. I'm going to tie this nice and tight. Just going to create my own little thing here. So I have something to staple to. Cute little bow, flat, no loops. Okay, I think that's super cute, just like that. Easy breezy. So make sure I get all the way in, up underneath there to that piece. Here. Perfection. Super duper cute. Really easy, really quick. So again, I'm just cutting those ribbons, you know, at roughly, let's say 8 to 10 inches. I only added a little bit of greenery. This was just left over from previous projects. Love, love, love these. These are great fillers. Great fillers in your Etsy shop. Great fillers in your craft shows. Great fillers in your selling in boutiques. All those things. Hope this inspired you, and I cannot wait to see you soon. Bye, y'all.